We're here in Thailand and we're able to visit a traditional indigo workshop. This is family owned and operated where they make their own indigo dye their fabric, they make their own patterns, and sell their goods. They're going to give us a demonstration and we're going to actually be able to try and make a pattern ourselves.
Guys, this is John. สวัสดีค่ะ John. So now John use a technique by imprint. So he used like a piece of the teak wood crafting, and for the wax, that is mixed between wax and paraffin. So 5% of paraffin and then 95% of wax. And for the temperature, just only like a started by boiling by 60 Celsius, and then for the low heat it in between 45 degree in order the wax is can be melt. So you can see the technique when and he สุภาพโอเคเตานั่นก็ห้อนนะตัวใครอันนี้ก็เอาอันน้อยๆนี่ลองจุ่มพอ And for the technique is, guys, he have to dip it into the wax, and then you guys have to spread it. And the way when you print, you have to print straight, not lean, and only one time, not double print. You need to dip it again, like this, and gentle.
So aggressive.
Yeah. And but for the new mold, this one. If from the mold the one has been heated, you just only like a dip and then you can use. But a new mold, you need to soak them for a little bit, and then you can see when it is ready. It's supposed to have a bubble come up. That is just mean ready. Yeah. So now you guys get one each fabric. You're gonna make your own, and then spread.
I just Can you do it multiple times with one dip?
Don't lean.
Come on now, baby.
Just do only one at a time. One at a time, and then you have to redip it.
Okay, that's gonna be. It's gonna take me a while then.
Oh, I'm dripping.
One more of him.
Yes.
It's not going so well. Sorry. Yeah. Some of us are artists, some of us aren't.
This is.
I think it shows that you need to
It's a
still
nice
have a
flower.
skill. It's not like a
You're gonna
special
make us
touch.
pillows with these?
Thank you.
You see, like this is indigo pen.
อันนี้ต้องทำเอาใบสดๆนะเจ๊
Oh,เอาใบสดกัน Oni say her technique is if you wanna get like very nice shade color, is have to use fresh leaf.
แต่มันจะเป็นมันจะช่วงนั้นฤดูฝนน่ะช่วงที่ฝนหน้าฝนน่ะมันจะเก้าใหญ่ไปมันจะใหญ่กว่านี้
And she said like during on the raining season, that leaf is gonna be like a more bigger leaf and more colorful. So her technique, they're gonna use only the fresh leaf for make a paste only. So they're gonna collect like the fresh leaf, soak in the water for 2 nights, and after that they're gonna get the color of the indigo.
มันจะออกมาเป็นสีเขียวอะ
And then the color is came out like a green color. And then they're gonna use the green color mix it for make a paste.
ผสมกับฝุ่นขาวก็ได้ฝุ่นแดงก็ได้
So this is a limestone. So limestone they have 2 different kind of limestone. White one, pink one, doesn't matter. Any kind of limestone. She gonna use to stir and mix it well into the green water.
ผสมจนเป็นสีเนี้ยจนเป็น
And after that you're gonna get it like this is we call indigo paste. This is a paste. So they're gonna leave it in the jar for uses year by year by year. Even on the dry season, they don't need to grow the indigo. They still can use this paste. Yeah. And the way how to make a paste. This is the most important for the family technique. We have to make alkaline water. Alkaline. And this is alkaline. And they have to use tamarind wood, this one, burn to make ashes, and then put the ashes into the filter, pouring regular water, that is gonna become alkaline water. The alkaline water is gonna very smooth ทำไมต้องเป็น alkaline น้ำ alkaline น้ำแดง
เพราะว่ามันต้องย่อมในสถานะเป็นด่างถ้าเป็นน้ำบาดาลนี่ย่อมแบบนี้ถ้าเป็นด่างสีแบบจะแบบนี้
because her technique she said like we have to mix alkaline water in order for make the color stay. If you use like a regular water, it's always fade off. It's not last for long. So this is her family
มัน
technique.
จะบดติดเลยอะน้ำเปล่าน่ะจะย่อมไม่ได้เลย
แล้วเราเอาน้ำอันนี้มาใส่ในถัง
เจ้าผสมเนี่ย
So then she gonna use alkaline water, put into the jar, like it might be like one big of the jar. แล้วก็อันนี้กี่ปาก
ก็ตัวนี้นี่มันถ้าเนี่ยไม่นี่ใส่นักแต่ว่าตอนที่เขาเป็นหม้อนี่แล้วเนี่ยเขาก็อยู่ที่เขาย่อมผ้านักกอง
So ถ้าสมมติว่าผ้านักประมาณกี่จ้อน
ก็อันนี้ประมาณ2-3จ้อน
So I asked her how many paste into half jar. She said about 3 paste. That is just mixed in the color, but it depends how many of the fabric you're gonna be dyeing. So if you're dyeing more, you have to add more color. But this jar it has been over and over because of the water. For example, like when they are run out of the water, they just filling more new water. It's mean like another technique she say like the original water must be have to be mixed with the new water. If otherwise, it's not gonna be stay for long.
อันนี้เขาจะบดทิ้งเลยน้ำนะครับอันนี้ก็เติมสีกันด่างกันนะ
And this one is a cotton, guys. This is a cotton, and this is the technique they do imprint technique, which is use the mold dip into the wax and then just stamp it on the fabric. So the color is not go through where the wax cover. So the color is gonna go through on the white part, and then after they dyeing, they have to put them under the shade like that. You look through underneath of the house. They have to put them under the shade because if we put them under the sun, the wax is melt. That is it ruins the pattern. So and after it is well dry, they're gonna boil them. They're gonna boil them in the hot water and then pass the process and then put it under the sun. This is a whole process to be done. Okay. So now I'm gonna let her give you demonstration how to do dyeing. And on the first dip, you guys gonna see like the color is green. The color is green, and then when she put it out and the fabric hit it with the air, it's slowly changing the color from light green, dark green to be blue in a few minutes. Yeah, you're gonna see it.
I can't see it, but you can see it.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry.
พี่เอาพวกผ้ามาจากไหนสั่งเขาโต
บอกสั่งซื้อกับทุกคนมาจากเชียงใหม่เนี่ยจ้ะ
She bought it from another village where they are making a cotton. They not made a cotton by themselves. They brought it from another community. Yeah, for like a yash, like a whole lot. But they make their own cutting. They make their own pattern. And what's your question?
Oh, well, that was basically my question because those look like they're manufactured in a
Yeah,
factory.
she already.
The way
This one, you know, before she gonna put into the process for dyeing. The first she gonna buy the fabric from the community and then they make their own pattern, cutting design, and they put their own logo in. And dyeing is gonna be last process. It has to be cutting first and then dyeing. See, now it's like step back a little bit, otherwise your pan is gonna be shaved. So now it's green, yeah, and then you guys can put in the video mode. See, it slightly change it to be light blue, and then it's gonna be darker.
This was really cool. Notice how this is green right here and watch it change. See how it's getting darker so quickly, and it was quick. And now it's time to shop. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe.